Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Darren Tang, and this is another episode of Pro VM, where an amateur is going to challenge me to a one-game match where if they win, they get a ball of choice or a lesson. And if they beat me, why do you need a lesson? They don't need a lesson, they beat you. It's one game. That aside, we have Adam, returning Pro VM member, coming for revenge. How we feeling, Adam?
Good. Got like 5 shots in.
All right, he's making excuses already. I'm gonna beat him into the ground. I have 4 bowling balls here. He's gonna pick one, and then he's gonna just choose what I throw as we go. But he is going to get the endless 10th frame. He's gonna bowl second. Here we go. Good luck. I'm going first. What is your ball selection?
Goal label.
Are you choosing this one because you want the most competition possible?
I haven't seen you throw it.
Oh, okay, just because. All right, here we go. That's not great.
But it's a house shot.
It's not a house shot, it's a challenge pattern. It's just not the most challenging we've ever seen. So last time we faced, we were at the Nerd. And as we know, the Nerd was kind of a tricky bowling center. Tough topography. This center also has tough topography. I don't think as bad as the Nerd though. Oh God! I got the yips, I'm nervous. I didn't bowl at all while he was practicing. Go get your double. See, I don't need the endless 10th frame. I got this straight up.
The only thing I'm begging for is carry.
Give me the free ball. Oh, a little more catch. Ooh, a little more catch, no good. I have the secret to carry. If he wins, maybe we'll just give him the secret to carry. Oh.
I throw straight at it. That's one thing I learned.
Knuckled it just enough. All right, let's make a better shot this time. Last one wasn't so good. Curve. I still haven't thrown a good shot.
That's all that matters.
Gold Coast is a lot more fun when there's oil on the lane. Criminy, wheel.
Sorry, I didn't mean to slap it out, but...
I'm not giving you a high five. No high five for you, you already gave yourself one.
All right, guys, I want to tell you real quick about our brand new merch on dynastybowl.com. It's not your typical bowling merch. You can get athletic bowling wear, kind of wherever you want. We want to come out with bowling streetwear. We've got jackets, oversized tees, hoodies, sweats, and an important thing to note is that these are oversized heavyweight clothes. In all the pictures that you see on screen, I'm wearing only size small, but it fits like a large, extra large. So go to dynastybowl.com. You can get 15% off any order over $60 and free shipping on any order over $99. So head to the link below, check it out. You're gonna love it, I promise.
Oh my God, what am I doing? I'm just letting him win.
Dutch bowling.
No, we're tied. I'm not letting him win. But this endless 10th frame might be a little tricky. Maybe I'm just getting tired. I'm bowling all day. Oh!
I wasn't worried about that.
That was the sloppiest nutted spare I've ever had. That looks close. Was that a good shot?
Off my hand, yeah.
All right. Yeah, if he beats me, I'll tell him the secret. Can I change balls?
Yes. Oh, that's...
Uh-oh. Let's see what happens here. Can he recover?
Oh, no.
I just want to throw the new ball. The newer ball. Don't know when this video is coming out. By the time this comes out, there might be 3 or 4 more balls.
That is fact.
That's... Oh, I got the yips, man. Just left toe and everything. We don't like that. Do I focus up here? Nah. Pick up your spares.
Yep, spares are going
Wait, that was the difference last time, wasn't it?
Yeah, there's spares, man.
I did.
7 pin.
I don't think I ever shot a game over 230 at the Nerd.
Oh, shit.
Oh, no. The over adjustment for the wrapped 7. Come on, show us a spare. Oh!
I was gonna say.
A little peace of mind there, a little peace of mind, yo. I'm just saying, after you slap that one out, a little too hasty there, buddy. All right, is this gonna be the first good shot of the game? That's close. Belmo ball, Belmo reaction. That was like a half-assed Belmo shot. It was like a, oh yeah, I know it's good. I watched it first. I didn't turn around fast enough. Maybe?
Oh, wow. Phase 2 hooks. Wow.
You guys know how we talk about windows?
Yeah, I'm blowing it.
There are no excuses here. The left side of the lane was fresh. Nice bear. little wide. Was that a 14? It's 24 pins now.
City punch.
We're just setting him up for the endless 10th frame. PBA's got to bring that back. That was cool. Wheel!
Wow, dude. It's
Should I
a little
just-
different than Friday night.
Should I give him the secret now? Your ball is reading the lane like 5 feet too late.
Yes.
So even when you
Slow
do hit the
down.
pocket, it's like a 50-50 ball. 5 feet might be a little
I'm hooking.
exaggerated. I would say that's probably the ball speed. You just got to dial it in the right spot. All right, posture, Darren. Have good posture. Oh! Ah, that was so much better than that. I'm changing balls. We're gonna throw them all. That's the second good shot of the game. I just want to see an endless 10th frame that's not ridiculous. Play like a rug.
I miss aim when I slow it down.
They look so flat for him.
I don't know what
But
I'm
you got a
doing.
gem. Let's try that
I
one.
do, but
You haven't thrown a strike in 5 shots.
I know, dude.
Go. That's impressive. Maybe I need a solid ball. I need a strong ball. This is a definition of grind. Yeah, you need a 4-pin conversion? I got you. I've nutted every single one so far.
Wow.
I gotta force him to double. The Messenger 9 right now is just automatic. Oh, my ball got stuck. Perfect. Ball change. Regardless, he needs at least one. Go. I still like my chances. What a grindy game. I think I should have played to the right. I 4-pinned half of my shots in the back half of the game. He needs a 4-bagger right here. 4 consecutive strikes for a winner. That's close. Woo! See? See,
It's just a habit, man. It's just a habit.
I don't know if that's the best habit to have.
It's not, but I like being the loud one. Quiet on the lane, loud on the approach.
Wouldn't you want the opposite? Wouldn't you want to be loud
No.
on the lanes and quiet on the approach?
Oh. No.
Unlucky, ineligible for the endless 10th frame. No. Oh, we already told him the secret. I can't withhold that from him since he lost. Man, now what? You're not even gonna let him finish. That's it, we're done. 207, 190, he doesn't get to throw his last shot because he lost.